Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to use a VPN with Monopoly Go to make the most out of your roles. I've seen a lot of questions on this, so let's clear up any confusion and get you rolling with confidence. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and over here you need to tap on the search bar in the bottom, and here you need to search for Proton VPN. It's usually one of the top results, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. So once you have found the Proton VPN, you just have to simply tap on it and you need to just download and install it in your device. After that, you need to open it, and if you haven't already created your account on it before, it will show you that you can continue as guest or you can even sign in. So you don't need to actually sign in with the Proton VPN in my opinion. You can continue as guest. If you want to explore their premium options, then you can sign in into the account. Now, once you are in your Proton VPN, you just have to tap on the connect button and let this application connect you with the fastest server possible. Now once you are successfully connected, it will show a key option in the top of the notification bar of yours. If you see that key option or the VPN option, it simply means that you are successfully connected with a VPN and your VPN is now protected. So once your VPN is now active, you need to launch your Monopoly Go application, and you just have to be patient while the game loads, and remember to bypass any ads or pop-ups as quickly as you can, because we want to avoid any disruptions before starting the rolls. Now here is where the magic happens. Once you are in the game, do a couple of quick rolls to make sure that you are not hitting any special spots like a color or a jail. After that, you just have to swipe down your notification bar in the top and turn on the airplane mode. This lets you continue rolling without an internet connection, preserving your rolls for later use. Now that you got the rolls that you want, it's time to reset the game. So in order to reset the game, you need to just head over to the settings of your device, or you can even long press on Monopoly Go app and then tap on app info. In the app info, you need to select the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner, and now you need to tap on clear cache and then press OK. So this step will reset the game while keeping your role data intact. Once you are done, you need to open Monopoly Go application again and make sure that the airplane mode is off so you can log in properly. You will be right back where you started with your roles saved, as you can see that over here. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, you can comment them down below. I'll try to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching.